Hey folks, it's Stephen from Mow My Grass. It's been a while. Today I'm going to do a video on scarifying my front lawn. And if you're not sure what that means, I'll just take you down here to the grass. As you can see, this grass is growing in pretty thick. And what the scarifying does is cuts in and gets rid of all this dried, dead thatch layer and gets some of the dirt showing to get some air and water back into the grass. So I actually did the nature strip yesterday. Didn't do any videos on that one, obviously, but as you can sort of see here, we've cut quite a bit of the canopy away. You can see the dirt now. That's just going to allow the grass to come through to grow a bit better. And just from that small area here, so this small nature strip, we managed to fill a full green bin of grass clippings. So when you do decide to do this, just make sure you've got somewhere to dispose of the grass. The products that I used was the Ryobi brushless Scarifier. Also got the dethatching or power rake attachment to use as well, and I'm using the Greenworks Optimus battery powered mowers. So the first step that I'm going to do here is we're going to just mow this one down nice and low as what the battery one can go. Obviously if you've got petrol powered mowers you can go a bit lower, but being a buffalo grass we don't want to go too low anyway, so because that grows on top of the ground. So if we go too low and we mow out all the stolons, you can actually kill your grass. So just got to be careful with that one with buffalo grass. But yeah, we'll get started shortly and you can come along for the journey. Okay, so we've just completed the two crossovers with the Scarifier, and as you can see, we've already taken out quite a bit of the thatch. So all that dry, dead grass, that's just been sitting underneath your lawn. So if your lawn's been a bit spongy in that, hasn't been growing that well, could be because of the thatch. So as you can see now, we're starting to see a bit of that brown dirt showing through, which is what we're after. So now I'm just going to put the dethatcher or the power rake attachment on the Ryobi, and that's just going to tickle up that last remaining bit of the thatch in the lawn, and then we'll be able to mow that one up. So again, we're going to go 2 times with that one. So I'll get back to you shortly. What I'll show you folks is just how we change over the Scarifier to the dethatcher. They come with this Allen key, pretty simple. We just unscrew these 2 bolts here. This little plastic bit comes off. Scarifier lifts out and comes out from this side. So it's just got a little square bit that goes onto this bit here. So we just match that up again. And then that just sits into the spot. Put the cap back on. Screw these back in. That's how we change it over. Now also, this does come with a catcher, but I find it's easier without the catcher. But what I have found, you can purchase these off eBay. They pretty much just sit in there so it actually holds the catcher open a little bit instead of the grass is piling up behind there. So they just slide in like so, and they leave the flap open. Okay, so there we have it folks, a scarified buffalo lawn using the Ryobi 18 volt brushless scarifier, and as you can see now, we've now got down to the dirt profile. As mentioned before, being a buffalo lawn, you still want to have some of these stolons across the top, because that's what the grass grows from. What I'll be doing now, talking about in the video, sorry, I'm going to put down some fertilizer, also a wetting agent, and then give it a nice water in, and that's going to give it the best chance to start growing during the springtime. And hopefully in about 2 weeks time we should have a nice lush green lawn. See you later folks. Thanks again for watching. Bye.